went into it. A lot of meetings, a lot of planning.
A lot of subcommittees.
We wanted to make sure that we incorporated ladies from the community, women that our students could relate to.
And I want you to always remember, everything is temporary. Everything is temporary. If you look at everything like it's temporary, pain, temporary, happiness, temporary, money, temporary, hunger, temporary, abuse, temporary, fights, temporary.
We just wanted someone who looks like them, that they wouldn't be intimidated by, that they can sit down and have real conversations with. And we're planning on doing this every year, so that if we build a relationship this year, each year it gets deeper and deeper and deeper, and hopefully it'll take them further.
A lot of our guests who we asked to come participate in this, we thought it would be awesome, instead of giving them the big forum of speaking at all of our population, to have them in small rooms where they could reach a child. That way we came up with the girls being involved, because we wanted to amplify their voices. We wanted the girls to be able to choose, hey, you have this, I want to go to that classroom workshop. Oh, there's something about dating, there's something about trauma after COVID, there's something about yoga and mindful meditation, I want to go to that. So that's honestly what helped shape this, because we wanted the students to also be involved in making this come to life.
About a workshop, we thought about a village format where they are understanding that their network is their net worth. The unmet needs that our young people have, and one of those things can be barriers of transportation, trauma. It could also be the digital divide. We want to make sure that we brought community to the students and students to the community. And one way to do that is by common ground, because we want them to be able not to also fill up their time just with the educational part, but also the part where they also take stock of their after hours, which is where our students can lay astray. We want to recreate this again with including parents and maybe mothers next year, and keep building our speakers bureau at Weequahic. Woman's worth.